Today we will learn about few more features of Word that would make our Word document more attractive. So first I will open Word. This is Word 2019. It is little bit different from Word 2010. Click on New Blank Document. Here the only difference is that a page color and page border options are present in Design tab, whereas these options you will find in Layout tab in Word 2010. Okay, so first I will change the color of my page. Suppose I made it yellow. Now page border. Page border can be simple lines that you can choose from here, or you can put some art. Suppose I put some art here. Tree. Okay. So see, this is my art. Not only this, you can insert word arts. Suppose I insert a word art. Here I write the message "Go Green." This card is on being some message about keeping the environment clean and green. Okay. Not only this, we can go ahead and we can insert the shapes. Suppose I insert some shape, a smiley here. Okay, once I insert a smiley, see, we can do a lot of editing here. We can change the picture color. Suppose I chose one color, green color. You can choose a shape outline also. Suppose a red color outline is there with green. We can put some shadow effects, reflection, glow. Suppose we put some glowing effects here. Right. Not only this, we can write text over here. Right click, add text, keep smiling. Suppose I write. I can change my text also. Select it. Select the text that you have written. After that, you see this is the word art styles text. See, you can just styling of text can be done. Color things could be changed here. See, this is how text is changed. Not only this, you can insert more shapes and pictures. It's not that only one can be inserted. Suppose I insert one more shape. Suppose this is my shape. Okay, so just I can change the color. Let's make it black, suppose. Now sometimes what happens when you insert any shape, this formatting bar is not available or not visible. See, it is not visible. What to do? Just you go here, drawing tool, and click on format. See, now it is visible. Okay, when there is one or more word art things, see, we can send background. That means, see, this flash shape has gone at the back of the smiley. So we can bring it back also, or we can bring it in front also. See, bring forward. So it will come up, send backward. We'll go back. So this is how these are some effects that can be added over here. Not only this, we have more effects like we can put headers and footers. Now header and footer, what is header and footer? Header and footer, a header is the common heading that could be displayed on every page. Means that heading will, if you have 10 pages of the document, you will see the same heading in all the pages. That is header. So suppose I click, you can choose any type of header. Suppose I click here. See, I get the header. Header is head. You have head at the top, so head. So it is go. Same way we can put the footer also. Footer, you can choose any type of footer. Suppose I choose the first footer. Here I write computer. Even footer you can see in your book. When you open your book, at the end of every page there is something common text written that is on every page. Computer studies. So that is the footer. So this is how we can add header and footer. Not only this, we can put page numbers, date and time, all the things can be given. Or at the same time, you can close header. Suppose I close, you see. Now header things are closed. Only I have a page with border, color and shapes. So these are some more editing effects on Word so that your picture or your document becomes better and better. Cut, paste, copy, paste is also easy. You select any picture. Once you select a picture, you can increase the size. You can decrease the size. See, you can rotate the picture anywhere you want. I have rotated the picture also. Once you have selected picture, you can copy it. You take your mouse anywhere and you paste. So you get another picture of the same. If you get 4 arrows like this, you can move the picture anywhere on the screen like this. If you want to cut, simply go cut. Picture is cut. So these are some common things that we can do in Word, and that makes our page look beautiful. And we have already studied about the indents and alignment. Once again I am repeating, alignment means placing the text in different places. Suppose this is my word art thing. Alignment, center. You can be right, left. Okay, suppose I write here, we should go green. So alignment means placing the text. So if I select this text, see, if I click here, this is middle, right, okay, left, see, it comes here this side. Okay, so this is alignment. And indentation, as I told you, what is indents? Indent is where the distance between the margin and as well as the word. Okay, so this is the difference between alignment. Alignment means placing the text on the page, left, center, right, and justify. Justify means like a paragraph. This is called something called line spacing. Just I will discuss it once again. Line spacing, space between the lines. You can make it 2, 3. So that is the space between the lines it will go. Okay. Now here we have indents and spacing. Indent, as I told you, is the distance from the margin. If I increase, see in the example over here how the text is moving, means away from the margin. If I do from right side, again it is moving away from right margin. So this is how we do. Spacing means distance between the paragraphs. How much distance you put inside the paragraphs, that is spacing. Okay, so this is once again we discussed. I hope you've understood. Apart from this, only one thing we have not done. Let's view the ruler first, then I can tell you. Next is indent. We have 3 indents: left, right, and first line indent. See, left indent means how much left side it will go. Take your arrow there. See, if we do like this, our text, this is indent, means from here, this is up. After this, the text will not go. Whatever text is, it will be between the indents. Indent is distance from the margin. So these are all. This is the right indent. Here we have left indent and the first line indent. Okay, so this is how it works. See, this is first line. If I drag it, my first line will come here. This is left indent, means whatever you write will go till here. This is the limit. And this is the right indent, distance from the right margin. So this is how we go on with indents. I hope you understood. Let's close it.